Alright guys, another RC helicopter edition for you. So here we have the Blade Infusion 180. This was the bind and fly model. And this thing rips. So full disclosure, I am the definition of noob. And where I started, check out the Nano S3. This thing has definitely seen some time in the air, and I love it. So the NX8, check out the Google Drive by Horizon Hobby, by Spectrum, for both of these models. It's available. You throw it on a micro SD, pop it in and transfer it, and then you don't have to do any setting up. Even the telemetry for this specific guy. And these are the Tattoo 850 3-cell. Seems to work well. I can't knock it. But this is basically still brand new. And, everything fits nice. The 850 lasts for a while. And one thing that I am doing, which is the purpose of this video, is here, make sure the hold is on. By the way, here's the nice little adapter. Nice little machine. So I got this guy on Amazon, and I'm trying something new. I got the 2-year Asurion insurance for it, which is kind of weird because RC helicopter, you're gonna use whatever the thing is, and for like 20 or 25 bucks, depending on whichever price bracket the item is, it's like they pay for accidental whatever. I read a little bit of the fine print, and according to what other people, or the other reviews that people have left, it's a legit thing. And I mean, this is an awesome helicopter. I'm learning. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Stay tuned for what happens next. And I'm excited to see if the Amazon insurance will work for me. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.